from the top.
So Rosie and I have decided to come out to Little Talbot Island here in Amelia Island on the south side, and we're actually taking a walk now to go and see this tree that I really wanted to photograph the whole time we've been here. So we're going to walk along the trail now. It's about 4 miles loop, and then we're going to hopefully get some shots. Really nice day today, probably the best day we've had in a while. So hopefully we can get some cool stuff on the walk and then get some shots of this tree. So we just finished walking through the area, and there's just such amazing parts to look at. You get to see these massive pine trees, and it kind of goes from like pine tree leaves and the pine cones, and then it gets to soft sand and then that again, and it's just really beautiful to look at. And yeah, we got super lucky kind of come out here on a beautiful day like today, and we can hear the ocean, so we got to be close. So we just reached the tree now, and it's pretty epic. It's kind of, the soil's eroded the roots out, and it looks flippin' epic. So gonna snap a couple photos and cruise around here for a bit, and then we're gonna head back. So we just got back to the car. It was a pretty long walk along the beach, but really sick to get to see the place. And there's just so many skeletons of old trees and everything down there. It's just really beautiful, but got some sore legs. Probably gonna have to have a nap later, and I'll see you guys in the next video.